What if I told you there is one company that is quietly taking the lead in the AI boom? While everyone is talking about Nvidia, there is another company that is building the data centers to power the AI boom itself. And that company is Applied Digital, ticker symbol APLD. Now, I'm sure you've all seen graphs like this and pictures like this showing just how big Nvidia has become and how Nvidia is powering the AI boom. Even this one, countries whose entire GDP is now less than Nvidia's market cap. It's insane really, but as much as AI is dependent on Nvidia, it is also dependent and even more so dependent on data centers. And this is where Applied Digital comes into the picture. And this stock is booming right now, but imagine you had Nvidia stock 10 years ago and thought that Nvidia was done once it had ran 160%. Think about just how early that really was. Now we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. Applied Digital develops, builds and operates next generation data centers and cloud infrastructure in North America. Its data centers provide digital infrastructure solutions to high performance computing industry. The company also provides artificial intelligence cloud services. The company's purpose-built facilities are engineered to unleash the power of accelerated computing and deliver secure, scalable, and sustainable digital hosting, along with software as a service and GPU as a service solutions. Backed by deep hyperscale expertise and a robust pipeline of available power, Applied Digital accommodates AI factories to support the world's most enacting AI, ML, blockchain, and high-performance computing workload. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see that Applied Digital have a world-class management team with decades of experience across industry-leading companies. The company has been positioning itself for huge growth over the past few years, and that has now ramped up with over $5 billion in funding agreements to support data center development. AI demand is increasing, and so too is the demand for power. The demand for power has capacity expected to triple in the next 5 years, with hundreds of billions of dollars being spent annually by the world's leading companies. First of all, what a day it's been for Applied Digital, with the stock jumping up on the back of some great updates from the company. So Applied Digital just announced that they have broke ground on Delta Forge 1, a 430 megawatt AI factory campus in a southern US state. Delta Forge 1 is designed to initially support 430 megawatts of total utility power across 2 buildings, but has the ability to scale considerably over time. It will initially comprise 2 150 megawatt facilities spanning more than 500 acres. Once fully operational, the campus is expected to support more than 200 full-time employees, in addition to long-term contractors, creating durable economic opportunity and long-term investment in the region. According to CEO Wes Cummins, Delta Forge 1 represents the next stage of Applied Digital's growth as we continue to deliver AI infrastructure through disciplined execution. But just look at this. Applied Digital is advancing Delta Forge 1 in discussions with another prospective investment-grade hyperscale customer, reflecting strong demand for purpose-built AI infrastructure. We expect Delta Forge 1 to leverage Applied Digital's proprietary AI factory blueprint, which enables Applied Digital to deliver multiple hyperscale-ready campuses without sacrificing performance, reliability, or responsible development. The company has just broke ground now, so initial operations at Delta Forge 1 are not expected to commence until mid-2027. So we're talking about 18 months, maybe a bit less if everything goes ahead of schedule. So this is a great article. Applied Digital stock has been volatile, but the long-term setup looks compelling. There's no denying that Applied Digital has been one of the hottest stocks on the market during the past year. This was just a penny stock trading under $5 when I first discovered it, but today it sits near record highs again after hitting a 52-week high in mid-October. The stock has been extremely volatile since then, but we should look past this volatility for some very simple reasons. First of all, Applied Digital's growth story is just getting started. Applied Digital is operating in a booming industry experiencing rapid growth. According to McKinsey, demand for AI-specific workloads in data centers is set to jump by 3.5 times between 2025 and 2030. So this is still very early, but more importantly, the company's business model will ensure that it not only benefits from the build out of the AI data centers, but also gets revenue from operating those centers. And we've already seen just how big the revenue for these projects can be, from the lease contracts that Applied Digital signed last year, such as the $16 billion deal with Coreweave. Secondly, the stock might look expensive right now, but just how expensive is it really? Currently trading at 33 times sales, however, its growth trajectory justifies this valuation. According to Goldman Sachs, the data center demand will exceed supply by 10 gigawatts on average during the next 3 years. So as long as Applied Digital can continue with these facilities, then the demand is there. I think the company looks great right now, but what do analysts think of Applied Digital stock? Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that Applied Digital is being covered by 16 Wall Street analysts and has a consensus price target of $33. But this does not tell the whole story because the lowest target here is $7, while the highest price target is $58. Since I last talked about Applied Digital, there's been a couple of new price targets. Roth MKM and B. Riley have issued $53 and $58 targets, while just this week, Texas Capital upgraded APLD stock to a strong buy. But importantly, the most recent targets are the highest. While the $7 target was set back in April by Cantor Fitzgerald when everything was crashing, the whole market was doom and gloom over President Trump's tariff announcements, and we've seen something very similar again this week, where President Trump's announcements have thrown the market into chaos, but then it's quickly recovered. So I wouldn't pay too much attention to these targets set back in April and May of last year, but they really do drag the average price target down. It also says here that Arte Research initiated coverage without a target, but that is not correct. They did in fact issue a buy rating with a $99 price target. And Applied Digital is also listed on this article on MarketBeat too. 5 hot small caps setting up for big gains, buy, sell or hold. And this has Applied Digital listed alongside stocks like Open Door Technologies, Archer Aviation, ticker symbol ACHR, and Rocket Labs, ticker symbol RKLB. Applied Digital is the leader in Bitcoin infrastructure plays who have switched to AI. The January 2026 earnings report was a blowout, affirming that the high-demand GPU-as-a-service industry was growing faster than expected. Guidance was also robust, including new contracts with hyperscalers, putting it on track to sell out capacity in the second AI facility before it's even finished. Although APLD stock is already ahead of the consensus price target, analysts are leading it even higher with their revisions. Rated a buy by 14 out of 15 analysts, that's actually 15 out of 16 now, this stock has several high-end targets that suggest it could rise another 50% from its mid-January highs. And this is another article featuring Applied Digital, the 5 best GPU-as-a-service providers for 2026, and one clear winner. Now this includes the likes of Nebius Group as a top choice in the industry, but lists Applied Digital as the leading GPU-as-a-service stock in 2026, stating that a new deal with an unnamed US-based investment-grade hyperscaler has solidified the growth outlook, with expectations that the company will double in size 3 times before the decade's end. But guys, what do you think? Is Applied Digital set for a huge 2026? Leave a comment and let me know what you expect from this year. From the 2 articles I've just looked at, there have been 5 hot small cap stocks and 5 GPU as a service provider stocks. Applied Digital tops the poll on each of these articles as the clear and obvious choice. Anyways, I remain as bullish as ever, and with Applied breaking ground on the new facility, everything is looking great. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. If you enjoyed this analysis, then let me know. Have we hit my target of 500 likes on this video? If not, then remember to support the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next.